Alright, here we go, Steve-O. So if you look, you can see right here, that pin should be inside what would be a ball bearing. So here's bearings. That should be, you know, ball bearings. That one's not in there. If you look, that one's pushed out a bit on that side and it's out of angle. I'm assuming that's what popped out. Maybe you didn't strip or kill anything. Pinion gear looked good. You can see kinda in there with some light. There's a gear that is out of whack. Hopefully that final decision is you've got two plastic bearings here that are shot completely to shit. You have a plastic non-reinforced tappet plate, plastic no O-ring air nozzle. I suggest you replace that. Cylinder's nice and shiny, decent thing. There's a padded cylinder head face. Your piston is plastic with the spring screwed on. You've got a ported piston head, metal first tooth. You've got a wear half a tooth chipped here on the back though. There were only two shims in there as well. Alright, back. So you need new bearings. I'll measure them and post them in the description. Also, metal spring guide. No bearings or anything on that. PSSSSS found another one of the bucking spacers right here. Fell out of the gun somewhere. But your gears are good. They're metal. You just need new